Struggling with SmartScreen? Let's fix that in 5 simple steps. First up, buy an authentic host with a common domain name like .com or .net. Set up a landing page with solid inbound marketing and link buildings. Then, put your host behind Cloudflare for reliability. Next, avoid uploading just one file or a well-known app. Create a directory of useful apps to build trust and credibility. Third, clone a software certificate. List well-known software with code signing certificates and upload them without edits. Buy a FUD crypter to make sure your files bypass detection for longer. Fourth, secure your domain with SSL of website. A paid SSL of website certificate boosts your trust level more than a free one. Set up an online privacy and use Cloudflare for an added layer of security. Finally, avoid any mass spreading. It triggers runtime detection, flagging your files immediately. For extra tips, keep an eye on download history and review your browser search history regularly. And there you have it. Bypass Microsoft Defender SmartScreen in 2024 like a pro.